The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Eleanor Roosevelt. Explanation. This quote emphasizes the importance of believing in one's dreams and aspirations. It encourages students to have faith in their abilities and to pursue their goals with determination, as it is their belief in their dreams that will ultimately lead to success. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. Explanation. This quote highlights the transient nature of both success and failure. It reminds students that setbacks and failures are a part of the journey, but what truly matters is the resilience and courage to keep moving forward despite obstacles. Don't watch the clock. Do what it does. Keep going. Sam Levinson. Explanation. This quote encourages students to focus on their tasks and goals rather than constantly worrying about time. It reminds them that consistent effort and progress are more important than constantly checking the clock. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. Explanation. Steve Jobs' quote emphasizes the importance of passion and love for one's work. It suggests that when students are genuinely interested in what they are studying or working on, they are more likely to excel and achieve greatness. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Lao Tzu. Explanation. This quote underscores the idea that even the most daunting goals can be achieved by taking small, consistent steps. It encourages students to start working towards their dreams without being overwhelmed by the magnitude of the task. Your education is a dress rehearsal for a life that is yours to lead. Nora Ephron. Explanation. Nora Ephron's quote reminds students that their time in education is a preparation for their future life. It encourages them to take their studies seriously, as the knowledge and skills they acquire will empower them to lead successful and fulfilling lives. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream. C.S. Lewis. Explanation. This quote emphasizes that learning and growth are lifelong processes. It encourages students to be open to new opportunities and challenges at any stage in their lives, reinforcing the idea that it's never too late to pursue their dreams. The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it. Anonymous. Explanation. This quote underscores the satisfaction and sense of accomplishment that come from putting in hard work and effort. It reminds students that the sense of achievement is directly proportional to the level of effort and dedication they invest in their goals.